Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to talk to you all about cooking fried eggs in the air fryer. I've got a big pack of eggs here and I want to show you 3 different ways of cooking eggs in the air fryer, and then you can see which one you prefer. How does fried eggs go when you're using silicone? So this is the silicone container we've got, and like I said, it came from Lakeland. They're brilliant because if you think about the size of that versus the size of an air fryer basket, oh look, it's just a perfect fit. And of course these will also fit in most dual air fryers as well. I think they're just fantastic. So I'm bypassing the preheat because we've just demonstrated another type of fried eggs, and then this is going to be your next batch, so it's already a very hot air fryer. I mean, I can feel the heat on the side of that there. So you want to crack in your eggs, and then of course you get quite a lot of white in them. So I know some people prefer to drain off some of the white so they're not as full, but it's totally up to you. So egg number 2, egg number 3, and then last but not least, let's do number 4. And there you go, that is your 4 eggs cracked, ready to go in. But I'll tell you something, you might actually find it easier. I don't know why I didn't do this on video, to be honest, because that's how I'd normally do it, is to actually put your silicone directly in the air fryer and crack them in there, and then you're not moving it about as much. But it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to add a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and then I've not used any spray for the silicone, because that's the great thing about silicone, is it sets really well and it's very easy to get food out of silicone. So then air fryer out, and then in it goes. See what I mean? It's very easy with how full they are for you to spill some of the white, so you might prefer just to crack them straight and directly in the air fryer, and then in the pot. And then we're going with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, which is the universal time for fried eggs in the air fryer. But note that this time should never be used for soft or hard boiled eggs. Check RecipeThis.com for details about those, because that's where a lot of them go wrong with them. And then you're looking for 7 minutes, press start. And then what we can do is we can assess them, see if they need a little bit longer, because with them being large eggs, there's a lot of white yolk in there, and you want the white yolk to be fully set so that they're ready and perfect fried eggs. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we beeped! So shall we check on our silicone fried eggs? Oh, are we ready? Are they going to be any good? Oh wow! I think the only problem is we've got a bit of white there, but that's from when I've been distributing them from being on the worktop to in the air fryer. So that's a note to self. To crack them actually in the air fryer, because it actually makes it easier, because they get so full because of the way these silicones are. So I think they look fantastic. So I think what I need to do is I need to stick some bread in them. Oh yes, I mean look at that, isn't that a dunkable egg? That looks fantastic, look at that. Oh wow. That was so nice. Are they all dunkable? Dunk, 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 yeah. So that's 4 perfect fried eggs in the silicone in the air fryer. And of course, they don't all have to be fried eggs. Here's an idea. You're doing an English breakfast, you could do a mixture of them there, because those silicone containers are just the perfect size. So you could do a fried egg, You could do scrambled eggs, so that if you're feeding someone and they say, oh, I don't like fried eggs, I only like scrambled eggs, then you can do the same in 1 cook time. You could also heat up baked beans in them as well. So if you wanted egg, chips and beans for dinner, you could do 2 fried eggs, 2 of the little containers with some baked beans in, and then in another air fryer you've got your chips, and it's just perfect. So you've got a good mixture there. And let me see if I can actually get it out the air fryer now. That's the challenge, isn't it? Because I always burn myself on everything. So let's try it from these handles here. Oh yes, I'm out. So move the air fryer away. Just check those out. I mean, oh wow, I think they look absolutely fantastic. And look at them on close up. Oh, even better. So that's silicone fried eggs in the air fryer. I mean, how did you know that this was even possible? And we need to have everywhere stocking these kind of containers, because I've noticed it's a bit hit and miss with who has them. But for your reference, we picked these up at Lakeland, and they also do a lot of other great silicone ideas as well. So head down to Lakeland and grab yourself one of these, because they're absolutely brilliant. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.